guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Neha and I make videos related to books, and welcome to a staycation vlog. So yeah, today, this weekend we are in Panchgani, which is this hill station near Mumbai, and we are spending the weekend here and Monday. And we are actually in a hostel property, but we are in a private room, and we have like a really amazing balcony. But anyway, I just thought I'll take you around because yeah, it's just going to be a chill vlog about what we do over here and also what I read during such a vacation, because the main purpose was to just get away from the city, have a relaxing time and read. So I haven't been able to read properly since a while now, so I figured that this would be the best chance to get some reading in. And because I haven't been able to read, I just bought one book along with me on the trip, which is Legends and Lattes by Travis Baldree. I have been saving this book for exactly a purpose like this, where I can just chill and read. But before I talk to you about the book, let me wind back on what yesterday has been like, because today is Sunday and we've spent one day in this property already. So let me take you back through how yesterday was.
Back. So if you see that tabletop hill at the distance,
That one.
yeah, my guess that is Matharan. And you can see a few more interesting sites there, but I don't know what they are. Find out later. And towards that side, there's another hill with a tower type point. So my guess is a Karnala bird sanctuary as well. So it's a pretty clear day. You see a lot of structures in and around. And as we bypass Navi Mumbai,
Parsi food. Describe what is this?
chicken curry,
Rice.
rice,
What is this?
mutton with peas.
That's omelette.
That's omelette. That's
Cucumber and bread.
that's bread. The next day.
So yeah, yesterday we reached and we went out for lunch, and we just came back to the room and chilled because it's been such amazing weather. We've been enjoying the balcony. I'll show you around the room also in a bit, but yesterday I just holed up with this book right here and I actually finished it, which I'm so happy about. This is exactly what it says on the front. It's high fantasy, low stakes, good company. So this is about Viv. She is an orc and she's kind of like this hired assassin. She gets really tired of this life of gore and death, and she decides to open a coffee shop in this small town called Thun, I think Thun, and nobody has ever heard of coffee in this town before. And when she opens it, it's about how she sets up the store, about how she finds her own people in this town, and how the community starts to accept her. And then there is some not so good forces also around, which kind of ruin things for her. I really enjoyed this. I'll tell you what my favorite part about this book was. It's the process of how she was setting up this coffee shop and coming to the menu part of it, where she has what's her name, Tandy, I've forgotten her name, Tandri, and who's kind of her assistant, but then she kind of becomes like a partner in this. And then you also have a baker whose name is Timble. Thimble, yes, Thimble. He's like the baker and he makes all these amazing concoctions and they discover it and then the town falls in love with the coffee shop. I really love the process of how she sets up this coffee shop and how the menu comes to be and how the concepts come to be. Loved it so much. It's such a cozy fantasy thing, and I think 2024 I'm discovering cozy fantasy as a genre, which I think is my favorite genre to take on like vacations and when I'm in a mentally disturbed zone, when I just want to relax, when I just don't want to read serious books. So I think cozy 2024 is the year of cozy fantasy for me. I really, really love this. I think towards the end of the vlog, when I'm back home, I'll give you like a proper view on this book, but overall I loved it. I think this was 5 stars on 5. I'm really looking forward to reading the book 2, which is kind of like a prequel to this, which is called, I think, Bookshops in Bone Dust. But now I don't have a book for the rest of this vacation. I can read on my iPad, which I don't usually prefer, but there are a few books around the property and there are a few books over here in the room as well. The fiction books are Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni's Palace of Illusions, which I've already read, and there's a Colleen Hoover book, November 9th, which Colleen Hoover would probably be the last author that I would pick up, but let's see. But yeah, let me take you around the room firstly and just show you how it is, and then I'll take you around the rest of my day. Today's plan, we already went out for a run/walk on a vacation, which I think is commendable for me. We're just going to take bath. My husband's already taking bath, so if you can hear the water there, excuse me for that. So we're just gonna freshen up. We already ate breakfast and we're gonna step out to Mahabaleshwar. We've already been to Mahabaleshwar around 2.5-3 years ago, but then we had gone during the monsoons and you really can't do anything during that time because it just rains so much and it's so foggy. So we're looking forward to going back and seeing the things that we missed the first time around. But yeah, otherwise it's a beautiful day again. It's so clear and gorgeous, and yeah, I'm just happy to be here. So yeah, I will see you. Say hi.
Hi.
This is the view. Wait, let's see. Let's show them. There's a hammock. Chairs being used as laundry racks. There's a nice sit out here. The bed, which is unmade, that's Vinayak. And then, yeah, just shelves, a few books, plants, there's a mini fridge, there's cutlery here, a wardrobe, and that's me. Outfit of the day. Vinayak, show your outfit. What are you wearing? Nice. Ready for hike.
Yes.
And yeah, that's the bathroom, the shower, the pot, and the unusual part. There's an outdoor shower, which is too cold to use. So yeah, that's it. Time to step out now.
Come on, babe.
It's the introvert driver of a hellish experience.
Part of it has to be with you also.
Chalo, but finally we have some strawberry wine to try. Cheers. It's really nice. I think we're taking bottles of this home.
And we're not leaving that soon.
Yeah, because there's a traffic line which is insane. Can't think about it. Enjoy the drinks. So finally I didn't get any book. So I've succumbed to Colleen Hoover.
Oh, where's my book?
Bag car mein hai. So
the next day.
Hi. We're back actually. It's Tuesday today. It's Tuesday morning. I woke up thinking I'll go to the gym, but then I just had zero energy. So I've decided to unbox the ceramics that we bought in Panchkani. We ran into this small shop of handicrafts and ceramics, and they're at really affordable prices. I mean, in comparison to Mumbai, anywhere is affordable, honestly. So we bought quite a few. So let me show them to you. Okay. Oh, the first one. Oh yeah, this is a kettle, and it's my favorite color. Just take a pause and guess what is my favorite color. It's yellow. So we bought this cute little kettle that I am excited to use. It's really cute. Then we bought, oh, this is also in the same color, but this is a cactus vase. I really like it. This is so cute. So, and another vase that we bought is this beautiful carved circular vase. It has like patterns on top, and then it has like this imprint of fingers, like actually like you're holding it like this. So yeah, I found this such a unique piece, and for vases I always like unique pieces. And then plates that we bought, I bought these two like soup kind of bowls, soup plates, with this blue and white speckled design. So happy with that. And then in the same design I bought a big plate which I can use for like serving things. So yeah, that's a nice set, and that's it. So that's, I think I'll end the video here as well. I had such a good time in Panchkani in Mahabaleshwar, and it was so relaxing, so very much needed. And today I'm going back to office, so yeah, good times. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.